Oh, got it!
But we are here investigating whether or not you have. We have reason to.
You have every right
Listen
to
to me.
investigate.
Stop interrupting. You ask for my respect, I'm asking for yours in return. Okay?
What are you doing?
Back up. Stay there.
Nobody's in here.
Shocking. Moments corrupt cops realize they've been caught. When a family calls the police for help, they expect protection, not tragedy. But on November 7th, 2024, James D'Elia was experiencing a mental health crisis. His wife, Melissa Simmons, sought help from the police, only for it to turn into a devastating mistake.
The subject is on the phone. Just we speak with somebody. Confirm, he's on the phone. Apparently, it looks like he's on the phone.
The subject is currently on the phone, 356.
D'Elia was not treated as someone experiencing a mental health crisis, but rather as a criminal by the police.
The car! Get out of the car right now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car right now! Get out of the car! Okay. Someone break that window open. Just take the gun out. Get away from it. I don't care if you put it on the ground. You guys going? I got you. Like the muzzle. Get out of the car right now! You got hands on him? Put your hands up! Get out of the car! There's a gun right on this passenger side. Okay. Someone break that window open.
The grieving family of a father of four shot dead by police during a catastrophic welfare check claim he was murdered by reckless officers who then lied to them for hours, insisting he was still alive.
This body interaction with police on September 11th, and tonight his family is telling their side, his side of the story, which their hope may be disturbing.
How do you replace the man that you called in your happiest moments and your...
Their grief, a loss of someone they say made everyone feel special.
You can't walk in there without somebody grabbing you to hug you or...
For the next person in line, who would be the only one police would let tune up their vehicle, who shared his joy of racing with his children.
Who are you on the phone with? My papa.
In recent years, though, his compassion on the outside coming in the midst of it.
He had lost his family members. He suffered, you know, just everyday depression.
Their best efforts could not find him that day.
Our last resort was to call 911 and see.
His wife, Melissa, says she was on the phone with 911 for more than an hour, walking them through the text he had sent, telling them he...
Please? I need you to step out of the window. Yes, turn off the car.
Body camera footage shows his first interaction with police at Malta.
Yeah, to get out of the car. But nobody took a minute to talk to him. Not 1 minute.
A glass with the butt of his rifle.
They treated him like he was a criminal and didn't do it.
Devastated. Absolutely devastated. There was no need to rush. The protocol was not followed.
And put his other co-workers in harm by shooting in their direction as well. Like, he didn't just put... What if he does this to somebody else?
The family wants that officer held accountable. Following the tragedy, he was put on volunteer. Told that James was in custody and heading to a hospital.
We called hospitals trying to find him. Around 6
Away from us, and they don't even realize what they've taken, and they don't care enough.
My dad taught us we are all struggling with.
The family says that lack of information and answers regarding the gun upon the officer's arrival, saying he was on the phone with his boss as police closed in. I will also note here,
When ignorance of the law meets unchecked authority, the results can be both frustrating and alarming. On March 22, 2019, a police officer in Blanchard, Oklahoma, approached a man, later identified as a private investigator, due to suspicions about his presence.
Okay. Am I doing something illegal?
Well, no, they're just calling on you saying that.
I'm over here. I'm here for a purpose.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. You working? You see you got a ladder in the back. You working somewhere?
Fourth Amendment right not to show that to me.
Well, if I'm making contact with you for a reasonable suspicion call like I am right now.
Being suspicious.
For a suspicious vehicle, you said yourself you don't live over here, you have a purpose. What's your purpose? Is the purpose legal or illegal? Let me know who I'm dealing with.
But my name doesn't tell you whether I'm...
Well, tell me like if...
I don't live over here.
Okay.
Okay. I do belong
Okay.
here.
All right.
So, that's as far as I'm willing to take it. Absolutely.
Okay. Can I know that reason?
No.
Okay.
It's not none of your business.
Well, it is my business if you're planning on...
How is my identifier?
Okay, because if I identify you and I run your check and it says you've been arrested 5 times for burglary, then I'm going to go a little bit further. 5-1, check me, start 502 over here. So I have a call for service. So if you're not from here, I'm not sure if you are or not, because I don't know who you are. Okay.
My plate's right back there. Do you suspect that I'm not?
I have no reason to believe you are.
Well, I'm sitting in a truck in front of the house.
The officer insisted that refusing to show ID was obstruction and turned up the pressure by hinting that the man might just be a thief.
Is that illegal?
Well, no, but if you've been arrested multiple times for burglary, it could be.
Okay, so that determination.
Right. I also
You have the right to ask me.
If I'm conducting an investigation, which I'm currently doing, and you don't comply, it's obstruction, correct?
Okay.
You are not free to leave at this time.
Okay, then I'm being detained. I won't answer any questions
Until I deactivate my lights.
CIC or...
Do you have a date of birth then? Because I have to run it with a name and date of birth.
I'm not going to answer that question.
So your investigation.
I haven't committed a crime. I'm sitting here in front of a house, which is perfectly legal.
Do they have to ask you to move if it's private property?
Okay, but there's also a public easement right here.
Oh, it is a public, because this is the city of Blanchard Road, so it's a public easement?
ID.
Okay.
Okay, I haven't done anything illegal.
Okay. Well, then
You understand that by not identifying yourself.
For you to ID me in the state of Oklahoma, okay, I have to be suspected of committing a crime, about to commit a crime.
Well, you're...
Shut up.
I'll tell you what I want to tell you.
Okay, you're not going to
Here's
tell
the
me to shut up. I'm
Somebody called us
47,
in.
48,
I don't care
48.
how old you are.
You're not going
You
to...
don't have the right. I'm explaining you how we have the right.
You don't have a right to get ID if I've done nothing wrong.
The officer justified his investigation based on a call reporting a suspicious vehicle in the area, despite having no evidence of criminal activity.
Let him finish,
By
sir.
that being the case, we are here investigating that, and in order, and part of that investigation,
Not required by law.
upon request.
If I show you the state statute
ID yourself.
that you're required to do that, will you give me your ID?
Absolutely. Show me the stuff.
The conversation between the police officer and the lawyer clearly reveals the officer's lack of legal knowledge.
Hello? To an address out here in Blanchard, Summer Valley Road, for a suspicious vehicle, and gentleman's parked in a black pickup.
Okay. Well, technically, there's no obligation for him to identify himself. I mean, unless you've got reasonable suspicion that he's committing a crime. Yeah. There's no compelled ID statute in Oklahoma. I have to think about. I mean, do you have anything else to suggest that he might be involved?
And he has no. I ask him if he lives here, and he says I don't answer questions.
Okay.
Trying to investigate.
Well, I'll tell you what. If you're going to drive away, absolutely, you can make enough. You can he's driving he's operating a motor vehicle. Yeah, I mean, so the thing is, you don't have a complaining party. You haven't found him actually trespassing. All you've got is a gun.
He's parked in this person's yard. Part of his truck is in the person's ditch line. He's like, well, that's easement. I'm like, well, this is a private road, so therefore it's not a city easement, buddy.
Right.
Oh, that's why I called you instead of just ripping him out of his truck.
Yeah, no, I'm with you. I mean, you might try to think of a way to get him pulled over and stop. Code 4.
It has what on it?
Today's date, 3 a.m. and a camera, and it has one of these addresses.
Oh, okay. So street on it.
It's Summer Oaks. Summer Valley.
Did you hear that, Travis?
Yeah, I didn't quite understand it. He's got a manila envelope.
And a camera.
And a camera sitting next to it.
Oh, he's probably a private investigator.
Probably, but I don't know why he wouldn't want to tell me that.
I asked him if he was a
Because those guys are douchebags. I don't think you're over the line. I mean, I don't think you're beyond that point.
Okay. Well, all right. I'll just tell him that I'll contact Cleet about to give my ID. Yeah, you're right. You don't, but I like to know who I'm dealing with. Make sure you're not a convicted murderer. And he says, well, I don't answer any questions. I'm like, look, man, I'm not asking you a whole bunch of questions.
Despite being informed that no law required the individual to identify himself, the officer persisted in detaining and questioning him.
What are you arresting him for?
I don't know. Not for long.
Are you investigating a crime or possible crime?
Possibly.
Okay, he's obstructing an officer from doing his duty, right?
Okay.
All right. Make contact with you based on call.
And I don't
And
have
you're
to answer
that I'm not here to listen to you. I'm here to tell you what's going on. An officer from doing his duty, so now you're under arrest, unless you want to cooperate. Okay? That's the way it goes.
Look,
How are you
man.
going to identify yourself?
I don't answer questions. Look, man.
He didn't ask a question. Hey.
Can you please take your hands out of your pockets for me?
Stuff, okay?
Not a PI. So the only thing you can have a camera for is if you if you're a PI.
No, that's not what I'm saying, sir.
Insurance. Okay, but I mean, why do I have to answer questions?
Get your date of birth.
You're failing to
I don't
identify
have
yourself.
to by law.
You
I
are
have the
failing.
Fifth Amendment right.
You are failing to identify yourself.
Is there anybody in this house? Let's see if there's anybody at this house.
What law have I done?
Turn around, put your hand on your back for a second. Do you understand that?
I hope all your body cameras are on.
They are, sir. Do you understand that? I said you're...
Just said.
What did I say?
There's a difference between an arrest and a detention.
There is. You are correct. If you're an insurance shop...
The homeowner's not home, so she doesn't...
Do you have the homeowner's name that I can contact, make sure you're supposed to be here?
Yeah, but that's none of your business.
Okay.
Of the inside of that garage door.
That's all you had to say from the beginning, man.
I don't have to tell you that. Don't you guys understand what my right...
Or not you have. We have reason
You
to
have
question.
every right
Listen
to
to me.
investigate.
Stop interrupting. You ask for my respect, I'm asking for yours in return. Okay? Investigation. We can identify you by getting your identification. You are required. Trespassing.
Okay.
That's number one.
Okay, sir.
To be trespassed,
Keeping
I have to be
time
asked to
for
leave.
all we know.
You can ask for my identification. I am not legally required to give it to you.
Except that you...
No, I'm not. My attorney has told me so.
What crime is being investigated?
Okay, what crime?
I just told you two.
Okay, then arrest me for those two crimes.
Can you look at
I have a Fourth Amendment right not to tell you.
The Blanchard Police Department says it stands by the officer's actions, but declined to comment further since there is an open investigation into the incident. Blanchard's city attorney told Fox 25 he is reviewing additional body cam footage of what happened. At the moment, we have no new information regarding the case. Quite the storm of events, right? Let's move on to a more gripping case. Officers in Frisco, Texas, responded to a report of a possible domestic disturbance, but forcibly entered the wrong apartment, despite the occupant, Evelyn Turner, repeatedly denying them entry.
Mother here. Just you and your mom? My mother's right here. Somebody screaming.
Yeah.
No, ain't nobody here.
Come in just to make sure no one's hurt, and then I'll leave.
No.
Otherwise, I'm about to force your door open.
No,
so.
no one's coming into my house, sir. Sir, what are you here? Oh, no, so somebody, here's my room. Go in there. That's my room.
Are you hurt? Someone said stop hitting me, stop punching me.
No. I put my life on my mama. My mama is dead.
Okay.
Please don't do it. This is crazy.
Police.
The officer accused Evelyn of interference for refusing the search.
For interference.
I'm not going to my bedroom. What?
So I can search, and then I'll leave.
Just go. This is crazy. I can't believe this. You all got the wrong apartment. Whenever you...
I'm backing up.
Yes, please get out of my house.
Yep, that's it. I appreciate your time. Thank you.
We get a card.
What's your name?
Schick.
Schick?
3573.
3573.
This is your name?
If I was in your shoes, I'd be just as upset. But you have to understand. What the fuck is going on?
The officer attempted to justify the entry based on suspicion and exigency, but his reasoning was inconsistent and did not meet legal standards.
Involving dispatch to verify that it was the apartment directory, but we didn't have it, and I'm so sorry that y'all didn't do it. But I don't like the fact that all we would is everything's fine. So it's really no reason. I feel violated. She like my house has been violated. Because Amy was going on, but you know that position where he's stuck that stomach on myself. He is sure when he comes out. Pointed it out, but he did.
The officer's actions violated the Fourth Amendment against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. And not only has the Frisco Police Department insisted they broke no laws on January 23, citing exigent circumstances, the 43-year-old information technology worker is having difficulty finding an attorney to represent him in a possible civil suit.
There's another gas station up the road about 2 miles, so...
Can you please take me there?
We can't give you a ride. I don't have enough room to put all your stuff in my car.
Leaning forward.
Come on. Okay?
Just stop.
Look at me.
She's trying to get the cuffs off. You doing the right first?
Please.
I don't have nowhere to put your stuff.
In the trunk?
I'm telling you, my car is full.
Shocking. Body cam snitches on corrupt cops and delivers instant karma. First, let's look at the case where the police failed to assist a woman, ultimately leading to her tragic death. Around 10:51 p.m. on September 7th, 2023, the Dunklin County Sheriff's Office received a report about a white woman sitting by the roadside on the highway.
911, what's the address of your emergency? Did you hit this person or? Yeah, I mean, there was nothing that I could do. So you need an ambulance there? Yes. Well, I don't think an ambulance is going to help.
2 police officers responded to the incident and arrived at the scene where the woman was present.
Got a medical strip?
Hi, man.
Okay, what's going on? Sorry? There's nothing on that side. What's on the other side?
I've been walking from Little Rock.
Okay. Do you need an ambulance first and foremost?
No, I've been there, done that,
Okay.
I'm trying to get away from him because...
Who's him?
The person who did this to me, okay?
I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just trying to see what's wrong with you.
I keep trying to walk, but I can't.
Okay. Did you go to the hospital?
Yes.
Which hospital did you go to?
Everything is accounted for in North Little Rock.
Okay.
I've been walking a lot of miles.
Understandable.
Where are you going? Are you going anywhere in particular?
Yeah.
You have an ID on you?
Yes, I do.
Can I see it, please? When did you get beat up?
Thursday, last week.
From what's captured in the video, it's undeniable that the woman endured abuse at the hands of her husband.
Not on your head, looks fresh.
Yeah, these are new.
What happened there?
It happened, I didn't press any more charges for this.
Where'd it happen at? In Little Rock?
Yeah. I didn't press any more charges. I'm just trying to get away from him. Hence why I'm like...
Exhausted? Exhausted, yeah?
Yeah.
Can you find your ID for me?
I'm just trying to get away.
Okay.
Can you find your ID for me?
There's no... He took my phone. Hence, I don't know where I am. I was at...
Well, you're in Missouri now. You're in
Yes.
Cardwell, Missouri.
So that's why I kept going this way.
Okay.
Can you get your ID for me?
I don't even, honestly, officer, I don't even know if I have it. He took everything from me because I remember I was trying to buy cigarettes and they thought I was too young.
Okay.
I was like, oh my God, I really.
What's your last name?
It's Anders. Michelle.
Anders?
Yes.
Spell Michelle for me. What's your middle name and your social? Your ID, is it out of Arkansas?
No, I'm from Memphis, Tennessee.
Okay. Last name Anders, Adam, Nora, David, Edward, Robert, Sam. First name is Shell, common spelling. Middle initial, S. Sam, date of birth.
329 for Tennessee, Michelle Anders, Memphis, Tennessee. Shows a Class B license that has been revoked.
You don't know where you're going? I mean, what are you wanting to do? What are you wanting to do?
I'm sorry, I can't see you.
What are you wanting to do?
I'm walking.
Where are you?
From this person.
I understand that, but where are you going to go?
I don't even have a Google map.
I understand that as well.
He took my phone.
So where are you going to go?
That last gas station down there, they told me if I wanted to go back to Arkansas, go left. If I went straight to Missouri, go right. That's what.
The woman began to appear confused by the officer's questions.
Where are you going, is what I'm asking you.
I don't even have a clue.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
Oh, I saw the whiskey bottle sitting there.
No,
well, I'm asking you.
That was from last night. I was looking for my water bottle a while ago because I'm so dehydrated. I've been walking.
You can continue to walk, or we can call an ambulance, take you to the hospital somewhere, and get you some help. Which one do you want to do?
My whole shoulder is broken. They've already assessed that. They gave me a disc. I've got it in there with my paperwork from the hospital. But what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to get far away from him.
Understandable.
Well, Jonesboro and Little Rock are a pretty good ways away from each other, so I think you're fine.
And they said if I keep going this way, it's Missouri.
I understand that, but where are you trying to go in Missouri? Because there's nothing down here. There's no hospitals. There's nothing. So where are you wanting to go? It's what I'm trying to get from you. Are you just going to live out on the street? What?
No, I'm not a street person, sir.
So what is your goal? What are you trying to get to?
Chicago.
Well, you're a long ways from Chicago.
I know, but that's where my oldest son is. He's 22 years old. You know, I'm strong enough. I can walk this.
Well,
not that I want to, because it's hard with a broken arm and everything else. And I don't know where the next thing is.
Well, if you keep walking
I don't have a phone because he took it, and I don't even know where I'm going.
Although the woman expressed her need for police assistance, they ignored her desperate plea for help.
Would you guys mind just dropping off here so that saves me going to go?
Our policy normally is we don't give rides, but let me check something real quick.
Why are there so many mosquitoes?
Like I said, the stagnant water around these fields.
Not really.
She said she walked from Little Rock to here.
Bullshit. She can walk. Stay on the road. You just keep walking north till you get to Kennett, but if you're going to stop and rest, don't stop on the white line.
I'm sorry, I can't see this.
Well, you don't need to see me. Just listen to what I'm telling you. Keep walking north to get to Kennett. If you're going to stop and rest, lay in the grass or stay off this white line, or you're probably going to get run over if you stay on this white line.
I've kept over.
Your feet was on the white line when we come up to you. I don't want you to get run over.
It's a dark road. I can't see nothing without lights.
Tease till daylight then.
No, they told me, the woman told me, she said, you got bags, you can't leave your bags.
You can sit in the parking lot.
She said, I will call the police on you. And so that scared me, you know, because I don't want to get in trouble for anything.
Right.
And then one lady, she said, look, if you want to stay in Missouri.
There's another gas station up the road about 2 miles, so.
Can you please take me there?
We can't give you a ride. I don't have enough room to put all your stuff in my car.
Please.
I don't have nowhere to put your stuff.
In the trunk?
I'm telling you, my car is full. So just stay off the white line and keep walking, okay?
The woman was later struck by a semi-truck and did not survive. The state of Missouri is currently seeking to discipline both deputies for recklessly disregarding a woman who was clearly in need of assistance. In the Eighth Circuit, applicable in Missouri, as elsewhere for the most part, police officers are generally required to act where they have probable cause to believe that a vulnerable person might walk into danger or commit suicide. If there is evidence suggesting immediate risk or danger, officers must intervene in a manner that is objectively reasonable to prevent harm. Or they could face liability for deliberate indifference to a known risk. This tragic incident in Dunklin County shows the dangers of police neglect. Similarly, Lilia Matina endured police misconduct, where her rights were ignored and excessive force was used. On July 27, 2018, Lilia Matina was arrested by the police, who accused her of recording a child custody exchange on her mobile phone.
Right here. Okay, you guys can jump into over 60.
Not stopping there, Lilia Matina also had to endure the use of force from police officers and correctional staff while at the police station.
Do not go away. You understand? Sure. Do you speak English? She speak English?
Yeah, she does. No, she speaks English. It's just fun, sticking around.
Not compliant?
You just want to pat her down real quick over here?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Smell BO on here. Yeah.
Might be hairspray though.
All right. Yeah, I will say.
Lean forward. Okay?
Just stop.
Listen in.
She's trying to get the cuffs off. You're doing the right first.
Stop. Do not pull away.
I got it. Open your hand, I'm gonna break your fingers. Spread your hand open.
Alright.
Open your hand. I got that.
Lilia Matina later sued the officers for forcing her against a concrete wall, strapping her to a restraint chair, and inserting a metal device into the back of her hand. The acts of the National Police are formally regulated by Law Number 18 of 3 June 1997. Article 13 of the Act prohibits torture and other inhumane treatment by the police. Force may only be used where strictly necessary for legitimate law enforcement objectives. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our future videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.